I found these speakers in the trash and tested them. They didn't work, so I took them apart to see how they work. This first part shows over 18 minutes of me taking the absolute worst way imaginable to disassemble this thing. Nothing was giving way, so I decided to break the plastic casing off, piece by piece. I finally found the secret, a removable mesh that revealed screws I could remove. The second speaker took much less time, taking only 7.5 minutes. I was surprised to find large magnets in the core, as well as a pretty complex looking circuit board. If you'd like to educate me on the science of speakers or how to better disassemble them, please leave a comment. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna go get a Band-Aid.